Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-350 in a platinum trim and powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with a very sizable lift installed, as you can probably tell, with matching fender flares and some bigger tires, bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear, power deployable running boards so you can actually get into the truck. But let's take a look inside. And looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal a collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge for added security. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle with a 12-volt, 2 USBs, 110-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors, as well as having massaging front seats, which is always nice for those long road trips. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 81,583 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as, with distance pacing technology, and your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. And then you have truck info such as your gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info or diff status, and then engine info and transmission temperature. And you have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated steering wheel. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera with a full 360 view so you can see all around your truck. And above that, you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, lane keeping system, and your camera view, again with your forward facing camera. You have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. And moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls, physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, as well as heated and air conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Moving down below, you have this compartment with 2 USBs, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders that can be turned into 4, as well as having your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. And then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And looking up, you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof, so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.